What's up, working class dog? There, now it's working.
This ain't from Wawa, dude.
Hello and welcome to episode 21 of the New Jersey Multi-Species Podcast. I am Joe Santiago. Here is my partner, Chris Pereira. Live episode special Shark Week.
What's up?
We are on the Jersey Shore Beach shark fishing. This episode is brought to you by Adam Mihara Fishing and AM Anglers and also Jan Pro. We'll get into that more later. We're getting ready to start fishing. They're setting the drones up to send the bait out. So
I'm going to share the link.
The link is up. The link is shareable. We are getting ready to send out some baits. So,
buddy Brian there. Wetside shirt on.
Wetside Sharking is all set up, getting ready to send the baits out. Shark Week. There it is.
Wife had them made.
Wetside Sharking shirts.
I found these giant Ziplocs. Awesome.
Go, bro.
All right.
Recording and then 3 stop. Where's the drone?
All right.
And you caught this, right?
Yeah.
That's some bait right there.
Shark bait coming out.
Yeah.
So when you hear the one click like that, yeah, it's recording and then 3 stop. Where's it?
And some other nice guys that I helped them land this, and they let me keep it. So,
Awesome.
yeah,
So we got some free Jersey home caught bait here.
That's it. And,
It's like jelly deliciousness.
oh yeah. You guys are welcome to taste it if you like. I cooked
Yeah.
some last night. It was good.
Yeah, Joe's definitely going to want to try a piece of that.
Yeah.
That part right there, that jelly.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna throw some dogfish on for you guys. Dogfish is nice because it stays on the hook very well, and it like gives off urea, so it smells for an extremely long time, and they don't get picked apart by crabs. So these are really good bait. So same with the red. So we're gonna throw these on.
Keep some by.
He's ready to go.
So these guys are baiting up, and then what they're going to do is fly these baits out with drones. Now, Louie and the other guy said they already spotted 3 sharks in the water here. So there's sharks here. You could see bait activity in the water. It is windy and rough, but there is definitely some bait and shark activity going on. There also looks like there's a hurricane coming to kill us all, but that's beside the point. So yeah, I guess this is the rope that's going to probably attach to the drone. This guy's following the shark right now that he sees. I don't see it, but he does. They literally have lines everywhere, these guys. There's rods everywhere. Weirdo that decided to join our group. We don't know who that is. Wearing a GoPro. Guys, can you guys hear us?
Like Louie just talked about the bait. Did they hear all that?
Did you hear Louie? So he's going to put some cow nose ray on the casting outfits.
Now you can tell this bait's really tough.
I was just going to say about the rig. So you've got just a short length of steel leader here, obviously, for a
Yeah,
teeth.
that's the bite leader.
And then you've got
This is the shock leader. A lot of people make their cast out leaders like 8 feet long, 9 feet long. I don't like casting a 9-foot leader or an 8-foot leader. So I make them about 4 feet, give or take. But what I do is I empty my 100-pound mono into my braid. It's 8-pound reaction pack of braid. And then, so my mono leader altogether is 12 feet.
Well, that's going to cover the length of any shark that's not going to be able to get his tail in the braid there, right?
That's the theory. The shark's skin is like sandpaper. So once it touches your braid, it's going to
That's it. Game over. Yeah, that's definitely not going to come off. Barely get it on.
Oh, yeah.
It's like leather.
Yeah, it really is. The nice thing about Ray is that you can leave it out like all night. Unlike Bunker gets picked apart by crabs, small fish, and then you got to constantly change it.
Yeah, it just gets mushy.
Yeah, and it loses its scent after a while. This will give off scent all night long, and obviously
that's gonna stay on there until it gets taken by a shark.
Yeah. Same with the dogfish. But this is a little tough.
I don't know if you guys can see how hard it is to get that damn hook through the leather.
Yeah. I'm ready to do those, yeah.
All right,
you ready?
Just about ready to do the drone.
Yep.
Drone the bait out. I'm gonna go check it out.
You GoPro this.
I thought we were just GoProing the shark fight.
No, you're making a YouTube video. So here comes a drone coming with its first bait run. Chris, see if you could get Deuce on the phone and ask him why any guests. I can't see any comments for some reason. Why?
I'll do 100 yards. Yeah, bring it over here on the website.
Make sure you.
I say it's tough.
You got the GoPro on the drone?
Hold on.
No, we do, I'm saying.
Get back away. Now we cover this. Cover that line too. Your mono. Cover the line in sand so that when the propeller starts turning,
I can't see.
it doesn't pull the line. All right. Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, Max.
I'll just stand back
I can't see him, John. I don't see the comments. I don't know why. Yeah,
Just watch
Max.
the big swings after I pick it up.
Here goes the first bait of the night. Going out. Wetside Sharking. Droning baits out. That shit's crazy. Holy shit. That's better than casting. Jesus Christ. That's crazy. 150 yards off. Wow, there it goes. The clip just dropped it. And now it comes right back by itself. That's crazy. Stella, if you're watching this, that's what I need. One of those. Hey, Em, I'm in Wildwood. I'm on the beach in Wildwood, babe. So what's going on, Lou? It's just soaking?
Just soaking. Hopefully one of these rods starts bending over in a couple minutes here.
Yeah. Thank you, Francesca. I need the luck. Kevin Glenn, if my wife's in the room, please tell her to buy me a drone like this one. No, dude, they're throwing, I'll show you. They actually go down to the Keyport, not Keyport. What's that? Keensburg. They go to Keensburg Pier and they catch big skates. And they cut them up, and then they have dogfish. They use dogfish and skate. He said the skate stays on the hook forever. Yes, I'm on Candlewood, chucking dogfish skins at Smalley's for night. Now here's one of Louie's casting baits. So this one's not out as far. These are the drone rods. It's starting to get a little dark. There's my partner over there, who just seems to not know what the fuck's going on here. He's trying to share the link. So it seems like pretty. We're set here. We're soaking. The bait is soaking. We need one to run. So yeah, it's a little rough out here on Seawood.
One of the cool things about that drone is if it lands in the water,
Just come this way.
you can take back off
You
from the
come
water.
that way. You come that way.
Yeah, one of the cool things about that drone is it's completely waterproof. And if it crashes in the ocean, it can take off. And if it flips upside down, I could turn one of the propellers on one side and it flips itself upright, and then we'll take back off.
No shit. How much a drone like that go for?
My wife got it for me for my birthday last year for about $1,200.
Oh, my birthday's Friday. Next, it's 6 days from now.
Tell your wife to get you a drone.
Yeah, she's in here, so she hears it. Drone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
That's like the lower end one too of the Swell Pro.
Is it?
Yeah, they have like 3 or 4 other ones that are above it that are much better.
No shit.
They have the Fisherman Mix, probably about $2 grand. It can
Crazy.
hold I think 7 pounds, where that one holds 5 pounds.
Yeah, and it's kind of windy, and it did fine.
Yeah, no, it works great. It says 27 mile per hour winds, but anything much more than this, and I wouldn't try it.
Yeah, that's cool. Crazy.
Hopefully we hook into some big ones.
Hope so. Anything. So basically, guys, watching what we have is Louie, I guess, from this fishing pole down is all Wetside Sharking. So this is all our stuff. And then I guess his 2 friends are over here. So those are Lou's 2 friends fishing. So total of 9 rods out.
These guys got their 4 rods out.
They
I
got
really don't like to have more rods than people. Maybe one more. But we got 4 guys on this side, so we got 5 rods. I got 2 cast out rods here. And then 1 rod's for Joe, droned out. 1 rod's for Chris, droned out. And then Anthony's droned out on the end. So I got this. But the cast outs are easy because if I get hooked up on this one, that one's like right there. So you can reel that one in real fast so it's not wet.
Gotcha.
So that's why we put the drone ones down there. So you don't want to reel those in. They're between 150 and 200 pounds. You want to leave them out until you get the bite. Sometimes you gotta watch because bites doesn't always pull out. Sometimes the line goes flat.
Slacks because they swim in.
Yeah, they'll pick up your bait and swim towards you.
So they pick the bait up, swim toward shore.
Yep. Sometimes it's the current pushing it, but if your line just suddenly drops down to the ground, chances are it's in the shark's mouth.
Now, what would you say your actual? What do you think the success ratio is in casting versus the drone? Is the drone major advantage?
It depends on where you're at. A lot of spots.
Shark, fish
They're
on.
hooked up.
Chris.
Yes. Oh, that was a cast out. So you make the decision.
So there's a first fish on of the night.
All right. This guy coming up behind.
He's saying it might be a ray. Fish on, fish on. Fish on, first fish of the night. Rip and drag. Lou's getting a rod out of the way. He's saying it's got to be a ray because he's basically getting manhandled by it. Chris on the GoPro. GoPro Chris.
This is where if Joe was fighting this fish, I would pants him. Right there.
Do not pants me live.
If you're fighting a ray, I'm pulling your pants down.
Don't do that.
You guys stay tuned. It's going to happen.
Teeter, you heard that if you're here. Stop looking so much like... Who looks like you, Mark Mercer? No one, except the guy from The Hangover. Oh, the drone guy?
The drone pilot.
He's more clean-shaven.
Oh, no, I'm not. He 100% looks 1,000 times better than Mercer. But it looks like he could be Mercer's more handsome, buff cousin.
So we have our first fish on of the night. And it seems to be a ray. Fish has him stuck to the bottom like glue. He can't even move the fish.
This ray is heavier than I am.
This ray is exerting zero effort.
So he's laying back on this ray with everything he has, and this thing will not move. There, now he's up. Now he's getting dragged into the ocean. Welcome to Shark Week here in Jersey, ladies and gentlemen.
Those big rays.
Only live on the NJ Multi-Species Podcast. This guy's getting angry now. I'm going to stay away from him. He's getting very aggressive. What do you mean, Dad, you got this? I'm not fighting it. This guy is. Oh, fish off and the kerplunk. That's going to be a better YouTube video than landing it.
Yeah, that's going to go viral, bud. Sorry.
Yeah, because I have you slow motion flying, backflipping. Shit.
Nothing left. Caught my line.
Stripped him. First fish of the night, stripped. That's going to be one of the best slow motion backflips we ever got. Ever.
Hey, if that happens again, you got to sell it more. Like, get your feet up over your head.
All right, so first bite of the night, 0 for 1.
Remember you showed me how to fillet it and pull the head over?
Yeah.
And cut the toe off? That was the joke.
Okay.
All right, so that was probably
You want to talk, Chris, to these guys a while?
I got one more thing.
that was more than likely a rough tail ray. You could tell they'll initially start with a strong run, take off. And when you hook into them, sometimes they'll suction to the bottom, and they're very hard to move. But when you get them moving, then you got to play them really easy, and they tend to snap lines.
Do you ever leave, like give it a little bit of slack, almost so it comes up off the bottom, and then get it in a little bit more? Or is that not a good attack?
Once you get a flag, try that.
You can't.
You can't, no.
How deep is it? 200 yards. About 35 feet.
You're like 15 feet.
Let me get my line. I think 150 yards out, but I don't know what it is.
Hey, nothing good, too.
So, first fish of the night just was on. Snapped an entire leader off. Louie's casting his... Louie got this out of the way. Louie took this line out of the way so the other guy could fight his fish. Yes, I did. Now he's recasting, so we're resetting. So that was pretty quick. I don't like when that happens, but it is what it is.
Real quick.
I'm gonna turn you over to Chris Pereira.
Hey, did you guys get all when Louie was talking about setting the baits and the rigs and stuff? Did you guys catch all that, or was it too windy to hear? No one wants to answer me. All right. I'm gonna assume you all heard all that then. Grab me my regular glasses. I can't see with these anymore. They're in.
You guys do any catfishing?
Yeah.
You guys want to watch Joe eat some chicken fingers?
Chicken fingers.
Go ahead. It's a whole fetish. Like, guys have fetishes. Just do it. Just eat
Sunset Beach chicken fingers with honey mustard.
You guys are up north also?
Bergen County I'm in. He's in Lebanon.
Alright. I drive to North Bergen in the mornings to catch them. I don't know how far you are from there.
Where do you catch the bus?
North Bergen?
Oh, I'm like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes east.
That's my commute spot to get to the city.
You work in the city?
Yeah. I've been with local 111 for like going on 12 years.
You guys could hear him. All right. Were you guys able to hear the when the drone was taken off? Were you able to hear about that? So we're all reset now?
Yeah, we're all reset, except for Ryan's.
Louie's nice and wet, cooled off.
Yeah. Nice taste of salt in my mouth.
Yum. So we droned out how many? 3? Droned out 3, and you know exactly how far out those are, right?
Yeah, the drone tells you. This one was 150 meters. Second one was 160 meters, and then the last one's 200.
It's fucking windy on the beach.
It's too windy for Mark. Do you want Joe to go sit in the truck and talk to you?
Tell him to shave his
sideburns. Maybe we could open up a private chat with just you and Joe, and he can sit in the truck talking to you where it's quiet. Would you like that? So in case you guys didn't hear, so when they're droning the bait out, it's pretty cool. They could put that bait exactly the distance. The drone tells them exactly how far to put it out. He knows exactly where he wants to drop it. And he literally puts it right where he wants it. So even if you're an experienced surf caster, you're not putting that bait exactly where you want it every single time.
Yeah. I mapped maybe on his truck, but
So you're using an avionics chart from the shore, basically, same way as you use it from a boat. Just.
But I fished here so much, I like it's like memorized. So.
Right, and then just by experience.
What the hell is that? Well, something huge.
There's a jetty over there. Yeah. There's a short little jetty over there.
Joe just mistook a jetty for a shark.
No, I thought it was a manatee.
Oh, a manatee. That's much better.
It's a narwhal. Definitely a narwhal. The nice thing about the drone telling you where you're dropping your bait is different reels have different line capacities. So I chose to drone out those two because they hold more line than cabinets.
Here.
Sorry. What'd he say?
Watch his rod while he's doing it.
Yeah, okay. So, this one looks really fast. These reels don't hold as much line as the other two. And I just gotta check. those hold like 600 yards. I'd rather drone those.
I thought you were doing that and I was doing the GoPro.
Yeah, but I can't just be the only one on the podcast the whole time.
I'll stand next to you. I'm done doing the other stuff. We gotta. It's a little hard to hear. I repeated some of the stuff. We just gotta make sure we're talking directly into it, I guess. I mean, it's windy. It is what it is.
Can you switch with me for a second? Hold this and give me this. I want to take some still shots with this because I want to get the light.
Oh, yeah.
These cast outs. They're not that far out. Maybe Ryan probably got like 30 yards out. And that was probably a 200-pound right? Yeah, Ryan only weighs like 90 pounds. But it did break his line.
Yeah, he did a nice backflip.
Okay.
Slow motion backflip. Talk to these people.
Do you want me to get any of the information that's on there on this too, or you can take it from both, right?
Yeah. You could go live on Instagram. You can go live on Facebook. You can say, come join Facebook, whatever. Tell me, huh? Oh, Eddie wants to see. Eddie, we got a big skate. They're hacking up a big. Yeah, they're hacking up a big skate here. They caught at the Keensburg Pier, and they're cutting up dogfish. So this is their primary bait here.
It's not a skate. It's a cow nose ray.
A cow nose ray, whatever. And then they droned them out. They sent them all out on a drone. So this is Chris Pereira.
So I think they know.
Oh, they do.
So if you guys have any questions for them while we're going about what we're doing here, put it in the chat, and we'll, between them doing stuff, we'll get it to them.
Here, Eddie. There it goes. The drone gonna run one. They're running them 150 yards out. "150 yards out, they're running them into 35 feet of water. And it looks like a hurricane from hell is coming to kill us at any minute. April Rose Ramirez said it's hard to hear. Do a cue. Yeah, we're gonna have Louie on the show. It's windy and it's the waves, but
They're still kind of setting up a couple of things.
yeah, they're still setting up.
Busy. Dude, get a shot of that weather because we have to fucking bounce.
This is just
for
the
an
shot
hour.
of the weather
That's
you're gonna
why.
see us die from.
All of us might have to get in the time.
We'll be running.
Yeah.
Who's
he's not, so Lou's not busy right now. If anyone has any questions, right now.
Lou's who's April Rose Ramirez?
My wife.
She just yelled at me because she can't hear me.
Oh, all right. Well,
Yes, we're gonna have Lou on the podcast when we could hear him much better.
yes. I guess this is more or less like a show and tell, or a show and try to tell.
Show and try to tell, yes.
Show and try to tell. Yeah, at Wetside Sharking started to be like a guide service, and I just like to fish. And I like to get people on sharks. So we talked, me and Ed, and we decided that for the rest of this season, if anybody wants to fish with us, free. Just come fish with us. I just want to get out here and catch sharks.
Let me get this. So you're coming out here. You're shark fishing. Someone can call you like as if they were gonna book a trip, but they're just coming. Free of charge.
I got all the gear. I got more rods at home.
I mean, You can't beat that.
Just come fish.
You can't beat that. If
There he
want-
goes, ladies and gentlemen. Free shark fishing with Lou.
If you want to try shark fishing, you have no equipment, you don't know what to buy, you're not sure if you'll even like it. I mean, give Lou a call.
Yeah, I'll give you the basics. I'll handle all the sharks, so nobody gets bit or hurt or anything.
Right.
Everyone's saying, wow.
I'd be saying it too. I wish I wasn't.
If the guy...
I'm coming out here no matter what. If nobody books, I'm still coming here. We come here like 2-3 times a week.
Wow, there you go. I mean,
so especially while I'm out of work. Yeah. I mean, we're both tradesmen. We have regular jobs, and whenever I brought Mark, and when I put Mark on his first shark, it was, it was fun. It was nice to see a trout fishing and you're playing, something bigger than him.
yeah, no.
The 3 drone rods on the back of the road was 1, 2, 3.
Guys, if we cut off for a minute, it's because of that death storm that's heading this way.